Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to compress video 1 GB to 100 MB without losing quality in PC. Open a browser, then type google.com, then search BLC Media Player download. Click this website. Click download. After complete download, install the software. Install the software, run as administrator. Click OK. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click install. Click finish. Before composing, let me show you the file size of the original video. My video file size is 642 MB. Open the BLC player. Click media. Select convert shape. Click add. Select your video file. Click convert. You can select your preferred type in the profile drop down. Select your destination location. Then type file name. Then click save. Click start. After complete the process, then close the BLC media player. Show the video file size to compress. Thanks for watching.